This video is sponsored by Snake Oil. Rip off the bandage and hustle over to snakeoil.com to receive 4.9% off of your first Snake Oil annual membership. That's www.snakeoil.com/SCAM. Snake Oil, the #1 sponsor on YouTube.
Oh no, another flat tire! Wrestling that dirty spare is no fun, and those complicated tire tools are enough to make anyone angry. There must be a better way. Introducing Jack Buddy, the easy way to make jacking a breeze. Simply slip the nut over the hole, tighten the screw, and jack your way to your destination.
Jack Buddy is not a real product and therefore not for sale. Jack Buddy is a parody to introduce a how-to demonstration of a practical scissor jack modification. Any resemblance to persons living or dead without the express written consent of Major League Baseball is strictly prohibited. If you would like to purchase a Jack Buddy, go to the hardware store, buy the part, and make one for yourself. Also not available in New Jersey.
This was a simple modification I came up with after building the spare tire carrier. I knew the tire winch would work better using a speed wrench, so I decided to modify the jack to do the same. I bought a 5/8" coupler nut, which happens to accept a 21mm socket, and an 8x25mm socket head bolt. I drilled a 7/64 hole through the coupler nut, enlarged one side to the bolt diameter, and used a tap to thread the other side for the 8mm bolt. I then cut a slot so the nut fits over the tab on the jack. When the bolt is tightened, the coupler nut clamps down on the tab. The combination of the coupler nut and a deep impact socket makes a more secure connection between the jack and the speed wrench. Since the nut only clamps on, this modification is completely reversible. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching,